This is Oprah Winfrey, a well-known female American host and television producer. She was born into poverty in rural Mississippi, raised by a single teenage mother. As a child, Oprah Winfrey wore potato sacks as dresses and faced abuse, trauma, and relentless hardship. But even then, she had a voice, a powerful one. At just 17, she landed a job in radio, and by 19, she was already co-anchoring the news. Her raw honesty and emotional depth broke the mold of traditional journalism, leading to her big break, The Oprah Winfrey Show. Premiering in 1986, it became the highest-rated talk show in TV history, running for 25 years. But Oprah didn't stop there. She built a media empire, became the first black female billionaire, and used her platform to uplift millions. From poverty to power, Oprah proved that no matter where you start, you can rise above it all. So if you're inspired by real stories that move you, click subscribe now, or you might never see this again.
Number 1, Zaldico. Isa ang kumpanya ni Zaldico na SunWest Corporation sa mga kumpanya na nakakuha ng malaking porsyento ng mga proyekto sa ilalim ng DPWH, kung saan sumatotal na 79 projects ang hinawakan at pinangunahan ng SunWest Corporation ni Zaldico na kinabibilangan ng mga maanomalya at kumuhong mga flood control. Number 2, Alan Quirante. Kamakailan ay ginisa ni Senator Marcolita itong si Alan Quirante sa pagdinig ng Senado na pinangunahan ng Blue Ribbon Committee dahil sa questionable at kaduda-dudang yaman nitong si Quirante na pilit niyang itinatago upang pagtakpan ang kanyang mga kinita mula sa mga proyektong natanggap sa DPWH.
Baka hindi ka makauwi sa araw na ito. Nagsisinungaling ka na naman eh.
May 40 billion ka?
Yes.
Nakadeposito sa bangko na? Unsa man na?
Ay,
Paano?
hindi. Yung NFCC kinuha sa...
Ano yan? Yen o pesos?
Number 3, si Zara Rowena Diskaya at Pacifico Diskaya. Kamakailan ay umani ng pambabatikos ang mag-asawang ito matapos ibida ang kanilang malahari at rinang karangyaan na katas ng DPWH.
Ano yung naging parang gateway para gumanda ang buhay ninyo?
Nung nag-DPWH kami,